Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is July 4th, 2025, and the top cryptocurrency news is the following. Let's go to Firefox, where there are about 40 fake Firefox extensions, all of which are related to the cryptocurrency market. In the description, I will have this list where all of these applications are fake applications that imitate various extensions in the cryptocurrency market, such as the OKEX extension, Phantom Wallet, Trust Wallet, etc. So be very careful about what you download and install on the browser you are using. Moving on, let's go to Trump's big and beautiful bill. And no, I'm not kidding, that's what the bill is called. The big and beautiful bill, which was passed by the House of Representatives and paved the way for the law. Trump will sign it into law on July 4th. This is a very big bill, the equivalent of which we will see in health insurance in America, artificial intelligence, cryptocurrencies, etc. You should know that someone who is very opposed to this bill is Elon Musk himself, who says that he will form his own party so that he can get rid of this bill. The main reason I understand that Elon Musk is so opposed to this bill is that this bill removes certain facilities and certain benefits, essentially, for people who want to buy an electric car, and of course, reduces the money from Elon Musk's companies, such as Tesla, which makes electric cars, which will reduce a very large flow of money from Elon Musk in terms of the money he can make, and that's why he doesn't like it. Let's say the most important thing for the cryptocurrency market and for Americans is that this bill could include a bill by Ms. Lummis, who wants to tax the cryptocurrency market in a more friendly way. This bill is not in Trump's bill. However, Ms. Lummis says she will create a standalone bill to tax cryptocurrency, which will end double taxation and bring very positive changes for American taxpayers. I won't go into details because this could change at any time. Continuing with our companies, we will go to DeFi Development Corp, which bought 17,760 Solana for its own reserve, bringing the total amount of Solana to $96 million, with its share continuing to grow, while another company that saw a very large increase in its share is Bitmine, which saw its share increase by 3,000% after the news that it managed to raise $250 million worth of funds to acquire Ethereum, with its share on the weekly chart approaching 3,000%. Continuing, today we will go to Tether, which seems to have signed a memorandum of understanding with Adecoagro for Bitcoin mining. This company is a solar and renewable energy company and is said to have up to 230 megawatts of renewable energy, all of which can be used for Bitcoin mining. Moving on to our coins, we'll go to Ondo Finance, which has created a new fund worth $250 million. Specifically, Ondo Finance and venture capital firm Pantera Capital are planning to increase investments in real assets, and so they created a $250 million fund called Ondo Catalyst. The money from this fund will be used to invest in acquiring shares and tokens in emerging projects. They want to grow the list of products they sell, and from real assets, which is a hot story in the cryptocurrency market, we will go to the other hot story, which is stablecoins. Ripple has managed to expand its stablecoin into Europe, and we learned that the Swiss bank Amina Bank provides custody and trading services for stablecoins, specifically for Ripple's stablecoin. So Ripple has managed to expand this further into Europe, as you can see. Moving on to our favorite cryptocurrency market, where the coin is currently at $109,000, with the price reaching $110,000. With this increase, we obviously had large liquidations that reached $280 million. Even a Hyperliquid whale who lost $15 million because he miscalculated the market. And since everything looks positive overall, we're going to get to a strange number, and that is that a report came out showing that after all, America created 147,000 jobs in June. I'll tell you that just in the last episode, we said that America didn't create new jobs. It even lost 33,000 jobs. However, this report shows that after all, America did very well. I don't know how they count their jobs. It's kind of strange, as you already understand. I'll tell you the negative of this. This is what Powell sees. From where we had 20% that we would probably see a rate cut, it's down to 5%, and everyone is waiting for September when they say there will definitely be a rate cut. That wraps up the top news for crypto. Today is July 4th, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care everyone and have a good day.